In this lesson, we will see together les pronoms réfléchis, but more precisely, we will see te. So, what are les pronoms réfléchis? Reflexive pronouns in French are used with reflexive verbs, which are verbs that reflect the action back onto the subject. These pronouns indicate that the subject is performing an action on itself. So this is the key, the action is performed on itself. So this lesson is about te. And the reflexive pronoun te can be translated into English as yourself or you. Remember, it will be the singular you in English. So let's see some examples with te. Tu te brosses les dents. Tu te brosses les dents. Tu te couches tard. Tu te couches tard. Tu te rappelles de ce moment? Tu te rappelles de ce moment? Tu te prépares pour la fête. Tu te prépares pour la fête.